Hello students, welcome to our NEET Chemistry channel. So today we are going to discuss about the NEET chemistry questions from the lesson of phenol. Okay, so here I have given the question. Let's discuss about the question and the option also. So how we have to write the particular reaction and find out the particular answer for the particular question. Yeah. So here the question is the compound A is generated when the phenol is treated with alkali towards the electrophilic aromatic substitution and with the carbon dioxide gives the 2-hydroxybenzoic acid of final product. So we have to find out the compound A. So here the compound A is generated by this reaction. What is the reaction actually? Let's see again. The phenol is treated with NaOH with electrophilic aromatic substitution and also okay, so that you will get a compound A. That's what a compound A. Am I right? So the compound A is generated by the phenol with alkali of NaOH. It gives the compound A. Then that compound A is reacted with the carbon dioxide and gives the product of 2-hydroxybenzoic acid. What does that mean, 2-hydroxybenzoic acid? It means in the benzene ring there is attachment of OH group and the acid group, right? If it is like that, what it is mean? What is the name of the particular compound? It is the salicylic acid. Okay, that we have studied, no? So this is the other name of salicylic acid, that is a 2-hydroxybenzoic acid. So while you are studying the reaction, no, you have to know the product and starting material, the other name also, then only you can able to answer in the exam, right? So this is the one clue. So you have to find out A. Okay, so let's go to the reaction, how the mechanism is happening. Okay, so in the reaction we have studied in the 12th standard. What is the reaction? Actually the phenol is react with the NaOH and gives a compound A. This is react with the CO2 gives the salicylic acid. So this reaction, you know what is that? It is the Coles reaction. Yes, yes, you are right. So it's a Coles reaction. Okay, fine. So how it is the happening, the mechanism in that? So first we have to write what is the starting material. The starting material is phenol. We have in the question. So O bond H. We can write OH also, otherwise O bond H. For your reference, I have wrote it here O bond H. Okay, and here you should write the bond also. Okay, so the bond will be like this, right? So what is happening actually here? The OH group is making a electrophilic substitution, right? That means NaOH, there is a OH group, no, that is making an electrophilic aromatic substitution with that phenol. So the what is happening, there is a bond, no, nearest to oxygen. So this will move here and make a bond formation. What is happening? OH and here H is there. So there is a elimination of H2O. Okay, so after that you will get this compound. What you will get? The remaining will be same, no? This bond will retain the same and this also same and this also same. But here, no, the H is eliminated, so that here there is a retain of oxygen same. But here this bond, no, this bond. Okay, this bond, no, move near to the oxygen. Okay, got it? Can you see? So here there is a bond formation. Okay, so after that what happened? There is a transition state will happen. So the benzene ring will be like this, right? This bond and this bond will be like this. So what happened actually, the resonance structure, because of the resonance structure, what will happen? This bond will move here, so that you will get a double bond here. Am I right? So that you will get a double bond here. Okay, fine. Then what happened? This will move here, then again this will move here, no, right? So that this will move here. Okay, so that only we got a bond here. Okay, then after that what happened? Okay, I said there is a reaction with the OH and NaOH. So the sodium phenoxide will form, no, right? The sodium phenoxide will form like this. So Na will attach here, right? So here the Na will attached, the Na plus ion will attached here, and after that what happened? The carbon dioxide is making a bond with the particular sodium phenoxide, right? So here the C double bond O, you should write like this. C double bond O, and here also C double bond. So this is the way you have to write. Okay, you have to, you should not write CO2. Okay, so double bond O, C, double bond O. So this is the way you have to write, you know that. So the bond is resonating this way to nearer to the carbon. Okay, then you will, this bond will move here near to the carbon, and here no, this bond will move here. Okay, because oxygen has a negative, no, so that you will get the structure of like this. How you will get the structure? So this is the way you will get, like, okay, so this is a structure, and here there is a retain of same double bond here. So what happened? So here the double bond O will be there, right? Am I right? So what happened here? This bond will move here, no? This bond is move here, right? So that there is a retain of hydrogen will be there in the benzene ring. That is in the same place only, but there is a formation of bond here, that is C. Okay, double bond O. Okay, double bond O, and here O bond. Okay, so here there is a O minus because there is a resonance. This bond will move here, so that only we got minus here. Okay, can you see? So this is the bond, there is a formation of minus here. Okay, so what happened then? You know that oxygen always having a lone pair here. Okay, so this is N plus, this is minus. Okay, so there is a lone pair will be retained nearest to the oxygen. Okay, then what will be the next stage? That is a H plus. What mean? It is a hydrolysis will happen with the, with this ion. What is that ion? It is H, H, H. Okay, so here, so this is the way it will. Okay, then what happened? You will get the structure. How it will be the resonance here? This double bond, no, it will move here. Okay, and this lone pair will move and make a bond here. Okay, and after that what happened? There is a bond between the carbon and hydrogen. So this bond will move here and make a bond in the benzene ring. Okay, so that you will get a structure of like this. So what you will get? Okay, so this bond will retain the shape, this bond also retain it is. Okay, and here also retain. Okay, so if this lone pair will move here and make a bond with the oxygen and hydrogen, so what happen? You know what is happening actually? OH bond will formed. OH bond will form because this bond will move here, no, correct, this lone pair is move here and make a bond with oxygen and hydrogen, so that only we get a phenol here. Then what happens in the phenol itself? There is attachment of C double bond O, so we have to write this way, right? C double bond O, and here O, okay, minus O minus. Okay, so this is the structure you will get. Okay, then after that what happened? The structure, the particular structure you will get is, that is, we have concluded in the reaction itself, we know that it is a salicylic acid, right? It is a salicylic acid, no, right? You know the structure of salicylic acid. So as you know the structure of salicylic acid, what is that particular compound? Okay, so see the structure. You have to write like that, no? So there is a OH group, and here there is a group of C double bond O, right? Here OH. Okay, so the bond will be retained the same. Okay, so what does it mean actually? The salicylic acid, that means 2-hydroxy. In the question they have given, no, 2-hydroxy. What is that? Benzoic acid, no, benzoic acid, otherwise salicylic acid we can say. But here what is that? It is the formation of sodium phenoxide. This is the compound A. So this only we have to find out. What is that? Sodium phenoxide. This one, no, with the phenol group there is attachment of Na here, so that it is called, what is that? It is a sodium phenoxide. Okay, in the question they have given, no, right? The second option is the correct option for this question. Okay, so okay students, I think you have understood the Goltz reaction, how the mechanism is happened in the particular the alkali with, and also the sodium phenoxide is react with CO2, how it has happened, and the final product we got the salicylic acid also through the mechanism of Coles reaction. Okay, let's see in the next video. So before that, if you didn't subscribe our channel, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and click the bell icon also, so then only you will get a notification. Yeah, thank you.